In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to back up WhatsApp chats to Google Drive on iPhone. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open your WhatsApp application on your iPhone device. So simply open WhatsApp, and from here what you want to do next is tap on the settings icon or settings section in the lower right corner of the screen right here. Now from here you'll see a bunch of different settings for your account. So what we want to go from here is to our chat settings. So simply tap on chats. From here, as you can see, you'll see an option where you can export your chat or simply back up your chat. So tap on there. Now select the chat that you want to back up or export. And from here, you will be choosing whether to attach media or without media, as attaching media will generate a larger chat archive. So for now, I'm just going to select without media. Now you want to select where you want to export. So let's find Google Drive. So just scroll right here. If it's not here, tap on more. Scroll down, find Google Drive, and from here tap on upload in the top right and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.